Hi, I hope everything's going good today. I'm not sure when you're watching this video, but I wanted to talk to you a little bit about the feminist event assignment. This is especially crucial since we won't be together talking in a feminist way about events, public events that happen, like the impeachment trial or plays at Northeastern or anything like that. So this is your chance to attend an event that has feminist or gendered themes, queer themes, anti-racist themes, and write about it in the context of our work together. So I have this chance now to explain to you the assignment in more detail. First of all, I'm going to click over to our syllabus. So if you look on page 7 of the syllabus, it explains the feminist event paper. I'd like you to read the assignment in detail, please. So pause now, read the assignment. Okay, great. If we were in class together, one of you would read it out loud. But since we're not, I'm just going to talk a little bit about it. So you need to attend a feminist event. I'm posting them on our D2L. We also have a local feminist bookstore, Women and Children First, that has an event with a book author, a feminist book author, almost every day that you could attend. So check that out. There's a link on our homepage, and you can also just search Women and Children First. Black History Month is coming up, and there's a lot of events around Chicago that's celebrating specifically Black women and Black feminists, so keep your eye out for that. I'll also be posting things like if you watch this video before Monday, February 3rd and want to go to Harambe, that's a fabulous event. Lots of interesting spoken word and art. I've also put something up about a local theater company, the Rivendell, that's doing an interesting play that I think folks would like if you're into plays. So you need to find an event. In case you didn't know, March is Women's History Month. So there will be events at Northeastern and around the city all of March for celebrating Women's History Month. So all you need to do is pick a lecture, a performance, a play, attend it. And then after you attend it, go to your computer and write your response. This is where you talk about what you thought about it. So you don't have to summarize it. You don't have to tell me what happened or what it was. You have to tell me what you thought about it. And if you see, the assignment is for 250 to 500 words. And also, you don't want to have a million thoughts. You can have 250 to 500 words of thoughts. And the most important point here is point number 3 from the assignment. Please note, you need to relate what you attended to at least one reading from the class and properly reference it. All right, let me know if you have questions. I hope you enjoy attending an event, and I look forward to reading your responses on them. You can turn them in at any time. The assignment box for the feminist event is open, so please feel free to attend, write up your response, and post it at any time. All right, take good care.